Hello friends, good morning. Today we will revise the topic adverbs. An adverb. First we will learn about the definition of adverb. An adverb usually qualifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. First is here. He ran slowly. I am very happy. Ram played extremely well. Here, the word the classifies slowly. The word slowly classify the verb ran, so it is called adverb. Happy, very is also identify the adjective happy. Ram played extremely well. Here, extremely, the word extremely identifies the adverb well. The word slowly, very, extremely, all these are called adverbs. So, shortly, we can say that an adverb usually classify a verb, an adjective or another adverbs. The main kinds of adverbs are adverb of time, the word soon, already, since, immediately, presently, afterward, etc. are used as an adverb of time. Like my brother came early. Here the word early is used as a adverb of time that also qualify the verb came. He fell ill yesterday. Here yesterday is also adverb of time. Please do it immediately. Here, immediately is used as a adverb of time. He has just gone out. Here, just is used as an adverb of time. Now, the second kind of adverb is adverb of place. Here, the word here, there, in, out, above, below, inside, outside, far, near, backward, forward, within, without, etc. are used as a adverb of place. For example, here is he is coming here today. He is coming here today. Here is used as a adverb of place. He was walking up and down. Here up and down also used as an adverb of place. He was sitting outside in the sun. Here outside is used as a adverb of place. It is raining. Let's us go inside. It is raining. Let's go inside. Here inside is used as an adverb of place. Now third kinds of adverb is adverb of frequency and also adverb of number. Here the word like once, twice, thrice, always, never, seldom, often, sometimes, firstly, secondly, thirdly, usually, etc. are used as an adverb of number or frequency. Here in the first sentence, I always speak the truth. Here, always is used as a here always is used as a adverb of frequency. She never tells a lie. Here never is used as a adverb of frequency. He came here once. Mohan often remained absent. Often is used as a adverbs of number or frequency. Now another kind of adverb is adverb of degree. Here the word very much here the word very much, to, quite, almost, little, a little, half, partly, wholly or is are used as a adverb of degree. Rather and somewhat is also used as an adverb of degree. Like he is very old now. Here very is adverb of degree that identify the adverb old. He behaved too rudely. Here to is also adverb of degree. She was almost dead. Here the word almost is used as an adverb of degree. I am a little tired. Here little is used as an adverb of degree that identify tired. Adverbs of manner. Here those show well, ill, badly, slowly, certainly, sincerely, loudly, etc. are used as a adverb of manner. For example, here he acted thus. Here thus is adverb of manner. Here she behaved foolishly. Here foolishly is used as a adverb of manner. We played well. Here well is identify the verb played, so it is used as a adverb of manner. Mohan fell ill. Here ill is also adverb of manner. Interrogative adverb. Most of WH words are used as a interrogative adverb when, what, where, why, how far, how often, how long, how much, how many, etc. are used as an adverb it is used as a interrogative adverb. When did he come? Where has he gone? Why is the she absent? How did you reach here? How often do you take tea in a day? Here the word when, where, why, how often, all these are used as used as a interrogative adverb. Now second is relative adverb. These adverbs are the same in form as interrogative adverb, but instead of asking questions, they join two sentences together. Hence, a relative adverb is double part of speech. An adverb and conjunction combined. This is the place where we live. Here, the word where is used for place and it is joined both sentence. This is the place and we live. So this is called a relative adverb and also conjunction. I shall tell you why he felt. Here, why is also used as a relative adverb. I remember the day when he was born. Here, when is used as a relative adverb. We know how you did it. Here, how is also used as a relative adverb. Now we will solve some exercise which is related to the adverbs. Identify the types of adverbs underlined in the following sentences. First is here. She writes beautifully. Here, this word beautifully is used adverb of manner. Why are you sitting here? Here is used as a adverb of place. Luckily, I passed the test. Here, this is used as an adverb of manner. I don't know why he failed. Here, this is used as a relative adverb. When will you come back? Here, when is used as an interrogative adverb. She always speak the truth. Here, always is used as a adverb of number or also adverb of frequency. He often hurts poor animal. Here, often is used as a adverb of frequency. You walk too slowly for me. Here, to is used as a adverb of manner. He drives car very skillfully. He drives car very skillfully. Here skillfully is used as an adverb of manner. Why are you so late today? Here so is used as a adverb of adverb of manner. We usually have dinner at 8 p.m. Here usually is used as a adverb of frequency. Where are you going for a picnic? Here where is used as a interrogative adverb. Mom gets up early in the morning. Here early is used as an adverb of time. This is the place where the king lived. Here where is used relative adverb as a relative adverb. Now exercise number 2. Fill in the blanks with choosing the correct words given in bracket. The king died 3 years ago. She walks more dash than her sister, more slowly. Than her sister. I can learn poem more dash than speech, more easily. more easily. He seldom or dash come late. He seldom or never. He seldom or never comes late. I want some rest as I am dash tired. I want some rest as I am a little tired. The principal spoke very politely. Tell me everything honestly. They often come home late. 9 number, they were talking loudly. 10 number, don't walk so fast. She answered very rudely. Very rudely. Ram is feeling much Ram is feeling much better now. This water is very dirty. 14 number, the soldiers fought bravely with the enemy. They waited for us very impatiently. Now we will learn about formation of adverb. Adverb of manner are mostly formed from adjective by adding ly, like kind, kindly, wise, wisely, quiet, quietly, fine, finally, polite, politely, foolish, foolishly, brave, bravely, quick, quickly, nice, nicely, rude, rudely, sincere, sincerely, affectionate, affectionately. Here, all these adverbs are made with the form with by adding ly at the end of the adjective. When the adjective ends in y, when the adjective ends in when the adjective ends in y preceded by consonant, change y into I and add ly, like happy, happily, heavy, heavily, ready, readily, angry, angrily, merry, merrily, easy, easily, steady, steadily, pretty, prettily. But the following adjective form their adverbs as shown. Truly, we remove e and add ly. Truly, simply, doubly, final, finally, cruelly, cruelly, annual, annually, noble, nobly, single, singly, wall, wally, beautiful, beautifully, careful, carefully, and also immediately. Okay, my dear, you have learned this grammar topic very well, and write down all this exercise